Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Terry and today I want to show you how to properly put down your convertible top. So if you are new to having a convertible, or perhaps you've already been using one and you want to learn some tips and tricks, then this is the video for you. If you're fortunate enough, you will still have this included in your car. Now, it's possible because these cars are so old that this may have gotten lost by one of the previous owners if you're not the original owner. I still have this, so I'm so happy. So what you gotta do, because I've never seen anybody ever put these on, I'm gonna actually put this on so you guys can see. Alright, so the proper method, and before you go ahead and you drop your convertible top down, is you want to install the protective cover for the rear window. So if you go and you open up the bag, it'll be folded up inside there. You unfold it best I can one-handed. So this is what it will look like once it's unfolded. Alright, so that's what it looks like unfolded. It's got just two simple little clasps here on the end that will attach to the inside of the frame on each side of the interior of the car, which you'll have to have the windows, the door windows need to be down so that you can, put that in. Let's go ahead and get it installed. I'll make it easy on myself. I don't feel like having to put the windows down right now, so I'll just open the doors so that I can get access to the inside. Now, if you do not have these covers, you can go ahead and you can try to find something similar online, or I don't know, if you have like a small thin blanket that can cover the window, that'll work too. The whole purpose is so that way when this folds up, the window isn't rubbing against itself and getting all scratched. And then also when you close it, don't just let it do what it wants. Go about halfway, check which way the window is folding. You want to make sure the window folds inward. Otherwise, if it folds the wrong direction, it could actually puncture a hole in it. So take your time and do it the right way, okay? I know you're maybe in a hurry, you're excited, you want to go out on a nice drive with your car, and every time you see somebody with these cars, they just throw the top down and they go. Yes, you can do that, but there is a proper method, so I'm going to show you that. Use it, don't use it, but at least you'll have the knowledge. So go ahead and you'll take this cover and you'll drape it the best you can so that it covers the window, like so. A lot easier when you aren't trying to do it one-handed. And then you'll take the clasp and you just gotta stretch it to the inside here. You'll see this metal frame piece right here. This is what it's going to connect to inside the headliner. If you have an older 90s version Z3, those did not come with a headliner, so you'll just see all of the frame on the inside. Okay, so all you're going to do is take this clasp. Forgive, my fingers are getting a little dirty from messing around. But you take this clasp, stretch it. There's going to be, your frame here is going to start to divot inward here. Where it's a little bit more narrow is where you want it to go on, and it'll just snap right in place. Then you move over to the opposite side and repeat the step. Grab the clasp and then just attach it right there on the frame. Check to see now that you have tension if there's any kind of adjustments you might want to make. It doesn't need to be perfect. It's going to move as you start bringing the top down. This is going to shift, so it doesn't need to be perfect. All right, now I will go ahead and show you how to lower your top. All right, when you're inside, I do need to make this quick because it's starting to rain, but you would lower these sun visors that don't really block any sun. Lower those down, you pull this lever on this side, and then there's a matching one on the other side. Go ahead and pull those, and then once those are released, you'll have to have your key on. I'm going to start my car because it is a big drain on the battery, and I just want to make sure that it's not going to cause any damage to my battery with that. So I'm going to start my car. All right, so all you got to do now is make sure your parking brake is on. I do have the 5-speed manual, so parking brake needs to be up, and you got to push in the brake pedal. Make sure you push that in, and then you got to reach around to the back, and you'll have these buttons here. Before you do that, you have to give this a head start. You have to push this and hold this up. If you just unlatch it and start, it will not move. So you'll have to hold the brake pedal down, push this button, while also pushing that up at the same time to get it a head start. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll have to put the phone down for a moment because I can't do all this while holding the phone. So give me 1 second. Okay, so you just want to get it started and then stop because you need to check. See, my window is starting to bend all kind of weird. So I am just adjusting my window, popping it down, because if it goes all the way down and there's parts of it coming back up, it's going to bend it and damage your window. So now that my window is going in the proper way, I can go back in the car. Again, push in the brake pedal and hit the button, and it will go down the rest of the way. As soon as it's down, stop, release the button immediately. You don't want to burn out the motor. You can go ahead, close this door so you can see. And there you have it. The Z3 with the top down the proper way. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you, and hopefully it will, keep it to where you can preserve the longevity and lifetime of your convertible top. Thank you so much for watching it. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe, and go ahead and give me a follow over on Instagram @CoolCatTerry. Take care.